Hello students. Beta, in the previous video we read about the sentence and its types. है ना? I hope you understand. Well, our next chapter is subject and predicate. Okay? So let's start. Beta, I am telling you that a complete sentence is divided into two parts, and they are subject and predicate. Okay, subject and predicate. Beta, look here, picture. This is the picture of a giraffe. And here a giraffe has a long neck. Okay. In the above picture, a giraffe is the subject and has a long neck is the predicate. Okay. Now I am telling you what is subject. Okay. Beta, look in the box. A subject is what or whom the sentence is about. एक सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट क्या होता है? सब्जेक्ट वो होता है जिसके बारे में सेंटेंस कहा गया हो, जिसके बारे में वाक्य हो, है ना? जैसे अब इस वाक्य के अंदर किसकी लॉन्ग नेक है? जिराफ की। जिराफ की लॉन्ग नेक है ना? और वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ जिराफ, मतलब हम जिराफ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. सो जिराफ इज द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट इज प्रेडिकेट. लुक इन द बॉक्स. अ प्रेडिकेट इज व्हाट is said about the subject. Predicate sentence में वो पार्ट होता है जो सब्जेक्ट के बारे में कुछ बताता हो, है ना? जैसे हैज़ अ लॉन्ग नेक इज द प्रेडिकेट ऑफ द सेंटेंस, है ना? व्हाट डज अ जिराफ हैव? जिराफ के पास क्या है? अ जिराफ हैज़ अ लॉन्ग नेक. जिराफ के पास क्या है? एक लंबी गर्दन, है ना? सो हैज़ अ लॉन्ग नेक इज द प्रेडिकेट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. ओके बेटा, नाउ लुक एट सम मोर एग्जाम्पल्स. बर्ड्स फ्लाई इन द स्काई. ओके, नाउ द सेंटेंस इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द birds. Okay, so birds is the subject, and what is said about the birds? Fly in the sky. Fly in the sky is the predicate of the sentence, है ना? birds आकाश में उड़ते हैं. तो कौन आकाश में उड़ता है? पक्षी, है ना? तो बर्ड्स इज द सब्जेक्ट एंड फ्लाई इन द स्काई इज द प्रेडिकेट. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द सेकेंड. दीक्षा इज अ गुड डांसर. हु इज अ गुड डांसर? दीक्षा, है ना? दीक्षा इज अ गुड डांसर ना? तो दीक्षा इज द सब्जेक्ट एंड is a good dancer is the predicate. Okay, now let's see the third. Cow eats grass. Who eats grass? Cow, है ना? So cow is the subject and eats grass is the predicate. Okay, now Look at the exercise. Now we will do the exercise, beta. Let's see the first question. Read the parts carefully and match the subject and with their predicates by drawing a line. Okay. Beta, pictures are given here and you have to match the subject with their predicates. Okay. Now the first one is done for you. A ship sails on the ocean. है ना, जहाज समुद्र में तैरते हैं. The next is my mother. My mother is pretty and kind. My mother is pretty and kind. Okay. Third one is an almirah. An almirah has clothes in it. Okay. The next is a bee. A bee sat on the flower. Next is a tree. A tree has many leaves. The girls are dancing. The next is the man. The man has a big mustache. Okay. And the last is a spider spun a web. Okay, beta. Now let's see the next. Choose a subject from the box to complete each sentence. Okay, beta. Sentences are given here and in box clues are there. Okay, you have to choose the correct subject for the sentence. Okay, beta. Is a great country. We will choose India from the box. India is a great country. Next is a national flower. Which is our national flower? Yes, we will choose the lotus. The lotus is a national flower. Okay. Now the third is has a long trunk. Who has a long trunk? Very good. Try. An elephant. An elephant has a long trunk. Okay. Next is rises in the east. We will choose the sun. The sun rises in the east. Next is dancing. The peacock is dancing. Okay. Sixth is are playing. Who are playing? The boys. Very good. The boys are playing. Is beautiful. Which is beautiful? Yes, this dress is beautiful. Is looking very nice. The rainbow is looking very nice. Okay, the last is very dense. The forest is very dense. जंगल बहुत घना है. Here dense means घना. Okay. So we have done the exercise also. Let's revise what is subject and what is predicate. Beta, a subject is what or whom the sentence is about. ठीक है. सेंटेंस के अंदर सब्जेक्ट वो पार्ट होता है जिसके बारे में बात कही गई हो. ओके. And a predicate is what is said about the सब्जेक्ट। प्रेडिकेट वो पार्ट होता है जो बात सब्जेक्ट के बारे में कही गई हो, या वह बात जो सब्जेक्ट के बारे में कही गई हो प्रेडिकेट कहलाता है। ओके बेटा, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? बेटा रीड इट अगेन and try to understand and do the exercise in your book. Okay, so that's all for the day. Goodbye.